Katie. You just can't resist saying that when you're in this room. We're inside a children's room at the Riverside Homes, and Diane Martin, a designer, is here with me, and you must have had so much fun on this room.
I had a fabulous time doing this room.
There's so many great touches. How do you even start something like this?
Well, first you have to start with budget. You have to know exactly what you have to spend, and you can spend a little or a lot.
Right. And your theme can be pirates, let's say, and have every inch of this room be pirates, or you could be something just as simple as polka dots, or just sticking with a color.
Exactly.
It's however far you want to take it, right? Right. So how do you start with a theme?
Well, I think you should get together with your child, and you should talk to your child about that, what they like, what they don't like, and then go out and explore. Look at a lot of different things. For instance, I got the sheets at Sears. I was very much inspired by that, and my little pirate here, that's what started. But you want to shop at a lot of different stores and see what's out there.
Right. Also a little bit of storage for kids in their room. They all need that for their toys, their books. You can even incorporate their artwork, right?
Exactly. And there's so many storage possibilities now. There's this wonderful treasure chest I got at IKEA. You can put things on the wall. You can hang things in the closet. A lot of different choices.
Kids need that.
They need a lot of storage. And when you're putting the room together, it's very fun to maybe get into it. When I did this room, I wore my little headband and my eye patch the whole time I was working on this room. And your child can do that too, and it really gets them into the spirit.
Absolutely. But what also got me into the spirit when we walk into this room is the paint. I mean, the paint really sets the tone for this whole theme.
The paint is fabulous. I hired a muralist to do this room, but I had the theme. I knew exactly what I wanted. Well, maybe not exactly, but I did have an idea, and then he helped with the development of that idea. But the crow's nest, that was exactly something that I wanted. I didn't have a headboard. I wanted something that stood out a little bit more.
And you could get away with that in a kid's room, no headboard. That's fine.
Exactly.
Anything else that you did that you just really love that you want to share?
Well, I love that on this the opposite wall that we have a treasure map. So a pirate needs to have a treasure map for his treasure. And so we've got an entire wall that's a treasure map, and that can help with the child and their friends having fun looking for different things.
And then when they get sick of it or they outgrow it and they move on to Star Wars, it's just paint.
Exactly. You just paint it over and you start again. Maybe buy new sheets, but other than that, everything can be reused.
All right. Diane, thank you so much. Such great ideas.
Thank you.